Good morning, class 7. Hope you all are well. Today, I will explain you your English 2 project. What you have to do in your English 2 project and how you will make it. This time, you will make your English 2 project in your English 2 buzzword notebook. Now, coming to the point that what is the topic for your formative assessment or project? Your topic is William Wordsworth's creative works. You all have read a poem written by William Wordsworth in your buzzword book, that is Solitary Reaper. So there also in class we have discussed a few words on William Wordsworth. So this time you have to make a project on William Wordsworth's creative works. And the method of making this project is called case study. What is it called? Case study. What does it mean? It means you have to go through the biography of William Wordsworth. Means you have to know about William Wordsworth very well. You have to read, you have to gather as many as you can the information regarding William Wordsworth, and then you have to make your project. This is called case study. Now coming to the point, student, how you will make it. So first you will write formative assessment. Then mention the subject. After that you write method, that is case study, and thereafter topic, that is William Wordsworth's creative works. Right, students? Now coming to the steps. Which steps you will follow and how you will follow this. In step 1, you have to write 2-3 sentences about William Wordsworth. What you will write there? Like, who is William Wordsworth? Where was he born? Some of his works, basically poems, you will have to write, etc. Thereafter, you will change the paragraph. And in step 2, you will mention the name of any of his poems, any one of his poems, and then you will write its theme, is the theme of the poem, of that particular poem, within 2 or 3 sentences. It may be 4 sentences also. After that, in step 3, again you will change the paragraph, and there you will write 1 stanza of that particular poem. Means the poem which you have mentioned, you will write 1 stanza of that poem and then describe it in your own words, and along with it you have to draw a picture describing that particular stanza. Means that particular stanza should be described through that picture. Understood, students? So this is all about the project, how you have to make and what you have to make. Now coming to the points, what you will need for making the project. At the very beginning I told that you will make it in your English 2 buzzword notebook. Now I would like to tell you that you can use black or blue gel pen. If you want to use both, you can use. If you don't want to use both, in that case you have to use only blue gel pen. No glitter pens, students, mind this. And when the picture you will draw, that you all will draw with pencil, you all know. After that you can do the color as you wish and try to make it a neat and clean project. No decorations with the glitter pens, with the balls, with the pearls, no decorations like this. Try to make it a very simple, very neat and clean and a very smart looking project. Give it a smart and neat look. So this is all, student. I hope you all have understood how to make the project. The submission of the project dates and everything will be informed. So accordingly, you start making the project and then you will submit as you will be informed. Thank you, students.